Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. My name is Joe, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
And I'm Lisa. It's wonderful to be back again, Joe. We're so glad you're listening and learning English with us today.
Yes, we really are. Whether you're listening at home, on the bus, at work, or before going to sleep, we're happy you're here.
Before we start today's lesson, we want to say a big thank you to all of our listeners. Your support really means a lot to us.
Absolutely. Every share and every subscription helps us continue creating these English learning podcasts.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to subscribe now. And if you enjoy this episode, share it with a friend who is learning English.
And don't forget to like the episode. It really helps us reach more learners around the world.
Okay, Joe. Are you ready to talk about today's topic?
I am, and I think many of our listeners will find today's topic very useful.
Today, we're talking about the top 5 most common mistakes English learners make.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous. I'm sure I've made all of them.
Don't worry, Joe. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes.
That's true. In fact, when I was learning English, I made many mistakes. One mistake I remember very well is saying, "Thank you to help me."
Yes, that's a very common one. And that leads us directly to mistake number 1.
Mistake number 1 is 2 versus 4.
These two small words cause big problems for English learners.
Yes, they're short words, but the meaning can change completely if you use the wrong one.
Exactly. So let's explain it slowly and clearly.
Good idea.
We usually use to when we talk about direction, movement, or who receives something.
And we usually use for when we talk about purpose, reason, or benefit. Doing something to help someone.
Let's say that again in a simple way.
Okay,
To equals direction or receiver.
for equals reason, purpose, or benefit.
Perfect. Now let's look at some examples.
I give a gift to my friend.
I buy a gift for my friend.
Both sentences are correct, but they are not exactly the same.
Right. In the first sentence, the focus is on who gets the gift.
And in the second sentence, the focus is on why you bought the gift.
Exactly.
Let me try another example.
Go ahead.
I send an email to my manager.
That means the email goes into your manager's inbox.
I write an email for my manager.
That means you are helping your manager by writing it.
Now I see the difference clearly.
Good. Let's do a little practice.
Okay.
I gave the keys, my coworker.
To my coworker.
Correct.
Next,
I opened the door. My coworker.
for my coworker.
Exactly.
So to his direction and for his purpose.
Yes, and sometimes we can use both in the same sentence.
Really?
Yes. For example, I gave the book to Anna for her birthday.
Oh, wow, that sentence uses both.
Yes. To Anna shows direction. For her birthday shows purpose.
That's very helpful.
Okay, Joe. Let's move on to mistake number 2.
All right, what is it?
Say versus tell.
Oh no, this one always confused me when I was learning English.
You're not alone. Many learners mix these two words up.
So how can we explain it simply?
Let's do it this way. We use say to focus on the words or message. We use tell To focus on the person.
Let me repeat that.
Go ahead.
Say is about the words. Tell is about the person.
Perfect.
Can you give an example?
Of course. She said she was tired. She told me she was tired.
So I can't say she said me.
Correct. That's wrong in English.
I must say she told me.
Exactly.
What about quoting someone?
When we use exact words or quotes, we usually use say.
Like, he said, I'm late.
Yes, perfect.
And when we report information, we usually use tell.
Exactly.
So I can say, he told me he was late.
Perfect English.
Okay, Lisa, what's mistake number 3?
Mistake number 3 is do versus make.
Another difficult one.
But we can make it easy.
Nice word choice.
Thank you. We use do for actions, work, and routine activities.
And we use make for creating or producing something.
Exactly.
Let's give examples.
I do my homework.
I make breakfast.
Homework is a task. Breakfast is something you create.
That makes sense.
We also use do for things we repeat often.
Like do the cleaning, do the laundry, do the shopping.
Exactly.
And make is for results.
Yes. Make a plan. Make money. Make a mistake.
Why do we say make a mistake?
Because a mistake is something that happens or is created, not a task.
I understand now.
Now let's move to mistake number 4.
Much versus many?
Exactly.
I remember this one is about countable and uncountable nouns.
Correct. We use many with countable nouns. We use much with uncountable nouns.
Apples are countable, so many apples.
Water is uncountable, so much water.
What about money?
Good question. The word money is uncountable.
So we say, how much money do you have?
Exactly.
And if I'm not sure which one to use?
You can use a lot of. It works for both.
A lot of water, a lot of friends.
Perfect.
Okay, final mistake.
Yes, the last common mistake is in, on, and at.
Prepositions, very tricky.
They are, but let's make them simple.
Okay,
Think of size. In is big. On is medium. At is small or exact.
for places,
Yes. I live in a country. There is a picture on the wall. I'm at the bus stop.
what about time?
Same idea. In January on Monday at 6 a.m.
In the morning on Monday at 6 a.m.
Exactly.
Wow, we covered a lot today.
Yes, we really did.
Let's review quickly.
Okay.
Mistake 1, 2 versus 4.
Mistake 2. Say versus tell.
Mistake 3, do versus make.
Mistake 4. Much versus many.
Mistake 5, in, on, at.
Remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Don't be afraid to make them.
Practice every day, even a little.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope this episode helped you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.